Okay, it's now time to do a little bit more advanced version of dynamic music and mixing between different layers. So in the last example, we had 3 different drums playing at the same time in sync, but then mixed in this mixer using 3 different gain notes and a variable called intensity controlling the mix between the 3 different gain notes. And the way we map the sound of the tracks to the mixer's 3 different gain notes was by using the CSS selectors here at the output attribute. Hashtag mix1-a will be routed to an element with an ID matching that selector. Okay, so that would be the drums. I just currently set the gain to 0, so we'll just hear the bass. Okay, so this is intentionally, because the bass wouldn't necessarily sound very good if we blend 2 recordings of bass into each other when we move in the slider. So we would rather have one bass playing until it swaps to another bass playing, and settings will control that. So I have 3 different recordings of bass here, and they will be routed to another mixer. I call it mix 2, and I have 3 different targets in this mixer, A, B, and C, and we can see it here in Audio XML. So we have the second mixer here, mix 2, A, B, and C. Okay, so everything is exactly the same as for the drum mixer, but I use the crossfade range setting set to 0. And the difference now is that if we start this example, so we hear the bass playing now. If I move the slider, we hear the same bass playing until suddenly it's changed to another file. So if I just slowly go over that switch, you can hear how it suddenly changes from one file to another one. And I then have a third file here. Okay, so then if we combine it with the drum, so I just turn on the volume on the drum mixer, we have the blended fading between the different drum files, and we have the sudden change in the bass, and that actually works quite well together. So that's how it works.